What's going on, everybody? How's it going? So I picked up a couple items from Walmart a couple days ago. I want to tell you why I picked them up and why I like them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I kind of got this video backwards. This video was actually supposed to be before the roof rack video, but you guys will get to see the roof rack video first. I've been using this window and door project advanced silicone for years and years. This is my favorite because you put the lid back on it and it doesn't go dry. As well as I actually have two of these. So I grabbed two of these in particular from GE. They're great. This one is the one that I used for the roof rack. This one I've never actually used before. Liquid nails, sealant, clearer than silicone. No, I have used this. I believe I've used this in a full-size caulking tube, if I remember correctly. It's good stuff. Let me go look real quick. I think I have used that one. No, I have not used this one. The one I have used is similar to this. It's DAP. Exactly the same, clearer than silicone. And then this is just a full-size window door projects. It's the exact same as this one, but this one is advanced. This one is all-purpose. They're pretty much the same, non-paintable, outdoor, indoor, and indoor. 100% silicone, 7-year mold-free sealant. This one says 10-year mold-free sealant. So this is just the little bit downgraded from this one. But this stuff works great as well. I picked up more than I needed. I thought I was going to need two of these. Ended up doing the whole roof rack. All the hardware. I put this on all the hardware around the bolts. Bolt heads at the bottom of them. And I let that dry. And then I put this, about this large of a circle, all the way 5 on each side on the roof, and then I put the roof rack on top of it, and then I bolted it down, and that seals the bottom of the roof rack's paint protector plastic sleeves that go on the roof rack pieces. From the it physically watertights it from that to the bolt, so the paneling is actually in the specific bolt spots. Circle about this big, globbed it on the truck's paint, and then dropped the roof rack on. The roof rack has plastic paneling underneath it, and that plastic paneling physically goes on top of the roof, and you bolt it down. This stuff is great. It's just a quick video. This was a couple days ago. This was today. Today is Saturday, October 30th. So this was like the 28th or so that I picked these up. But this stuff works great for everything else. This liquid nails actually says on the back, not recommended for automotive uses. Application below waterline. Polyester foam insulation, wet or green lumber on top of silicone, aquariums, or tube surroundings. I used the DAP version of this before. It works great. This stuff is one thing I like about this advanced silicone from General Electric is it actually states on here an application temp. So you can apply it during these temperatures, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's got a service temp of -60 to positive or regular 400 degrees. So this will work great on vehicles that are always out in the sun, especially in 125 degree heat. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video. I use this stuff all the time. I've been using it for years and years, probably 10 plus years or more. Works great on everything, including window seals. That's what this stuff is actually made for, windows and door projects. It's meant for like windows, sealing glass and stuff like that. But it works great on vehicles. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Peace!